Just a quick video to give you a brief overview of a little project I've been doing. This is analog to digital converter. The information is freely available on the net. I'll put a little link at the bottom so you can see it. So this is just a test harness that I've put together. So big huge resistors there, but they weren't very expensive. So you can see little veroboard board, nice socketed chip, couple of resistors. Nothing too difficult there. On the screen we've got Grid Runner by Jeff Minter. I think it's an adaptation, but it's fairly good. And a working Dragon 32. So I'll just demonstrate that we've got it working off an old cheater 125 joystick. Straight in there. So we'll start a game up.